So this is how I wire solar panels. I don't really care for the Mc-4 connectors. I'm sure if I bought brand new panels I'd use them, but the aftermarket ones are cheap and you can't tell if they have a good fit, and so quite often you'll see solar panels catching on fire. So I take a piece of Romex and I run it in, and I cut the common and I run it to the negative. Then I run the other one from the positive to the negative. I cut the common again. I leave the hot. You can cut the ground and ground, but I'm not grounding this one. So we go from the positive to the negative, cut it, from the positive to the negative, cut it, positive, negative, cut it. And then when you get down to the very end, you run the common to the negative and you run the positive to the positive. And so this black wire, the positive runs all the way through the chain unbroken, and you're just cutting the common. And so at the end of the panel, at the end of the string, you get your voltage from in this case, 6 panels at 20 volts, open circuit. So it's a 120 volt string, and it's clean, and Romex can easily handle 10 amps. There's no problem there. But yeah, that's how I do it. Save you some money on the Mc-4s, and especially if you're getting used panels, I wouldn't recommend reusing those. And the new ones the aftermarket ones are junk. So this is these panels are free, so I'm putting together another little 60 panel array. And so I've wired these up in strings of 6. There'll be 10 strings of 6. And I'm a little over halfway through my array. But yeah, I just figured I'd share that because, I don't know, used panels, cheap panels are good, and I don't know, I don't trust those, I don't trust the aftermarket Mc-4s. And this is solid, there ain't no way you're gonna have any problems with this.